Hi everyone, Daisy here with another layout for Spiegelmom Scraps. Today I am sharing this layout that I made, and I used the autumn pink sequin mix, and I love this. It's beautiful, like copper color and green and pinks and clears and all of that, and I just absolutely love it. So I decided to do kind of a throw together layout. I chose a collection that I liked. I actually just picked the cut apart sheets, and so this is the excuse me, I'm sorry, this is the Heidi Swap Carefree collection, and I love this collection so much. I'm just totally in love with it. I have the washi tape that go with that collection, so I used some washi tape on this. I used some stamps. These are actually Heidi Swap stamps from like the mink sets that she did for a while there. And then I used the cut apart sheets, and I stuck them down. I only popped these two up and this part here. I stuck them down and just kind of ruffled up the edges. I threw some washi tape like over here. I did the stamping in the top just in black and white, kind of in a diagonal design, and it's not going to focus. So I did there and down there, and then part of the title here is Just Because, which is another Heidi Swap stamp set. And then I stuck down my sequins. So I pulled out these big ones. I love these big ones so much. They're so pretty. They're like iridescent and just gorgeous. And then all these little kind of clearish ones. And then this green was the perfect addition of green because it's kind of a mix of this and this. And so I thought it was a great addition. And then I loved adding that copper because it really pulled out the browns that are in a couple of these pieces. A couple of extra little things that I did is I did put a, I didn't put like twine through this. I'm really sorry about the focusing issue. I'm sorry. I forgot to shut it off. So I put, not brads, eyelets in the tag holes, and I liked the way that looked, and I just left it. I didn't put anything else in it. And I just, like I said, tried to use some washi tape. So I have washi tape here, here, going here. There's a little piece here. Just tried to add things. So these are all, like I said, cut aparts. I had both the 6x6 and the 12x12 cut apart sheet, and I kind of mixed and matched until I liked what I had. This photo I think I've scrapped before. It's a funny one from a Mother's Day. We were sitting on my bed, and she was just being silly and laughing and is making everybody else laugh. And so yeah, it's just a fun picture, and I thought that it went really well with this collection. Like the colors went really well. So yeah, love it. But yeah, so again, I used autumn pink. Don't forget you can use my code DAISY15 to get 15% off your next order in the Spiegelmom Scrap shop. That's good on everything except for pre-orders, because those you do get a 20% discount already. And I think some sale items it's not good on as well. But if you're just ordering some sequins, I definitely recommend this mix here. It's one of my favorites. And yeah, so head on over. I'll have links down below to the shop as well as the Facebook group, which is where all of the fun happens. It's when you're going to find out about sales, see all of the amazing design team inspiration and everything else. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this layout. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again next time. Bye!